Welcome to Week 5. We will level up functions and scope. By week's end, you will write testable functions and reason about names. Our main objectives this week are defining functions, understanding how to pass and return values, grasping scope rules, and knowing when to use tuples versus lists. Let's start with defining functions. Functions shrink problems. They enable reuse, make testing easier, and improve code readability. Remember, one clear job per function is the goal. Function signatures matter. Always prefer descriptive names and use type hints to document intent and help linters catch errors early. Next, let's look at parameters and arguments. We'll cover positional, keyword, and default parameters, along with keyword-only parameters, progs, and asterisk doras and morgs. Use keyword-only parameters for clarity and avoid confusing positional order. A critical point: avoid mutable defaults like lists or dictionaries in your function definitions. Instead, use none as a sentinel and create new lists or dicts inside the function body. Moving on to return values and when to use tuples. Keep your return shapes consistent. When returning multiple values, always use a tuple to ensure the structure is predictable. Tuples are immutable and fixed shape, making them great for consistent multi-value returns. Lists are mutable and should be used when you need to edit the contents. Prefer pure functions that don't change state outside of themselves for easy testing and predictable results. If a function changes state, make sure that is clearly stated. Now let's talk about scope, governed by the LEGB rule. Python resolves names in the order of local, enclosing, global, and built-ins. Always be mindful of shadowing names from outer scopes. The global and non-local keywords are rare. Use them sparingly. Passing values explicitly into and out of functions is usually clearer and safer. Use guard clauses. Return early on invalid input to reduce unnecessary nesting and improve the overall readability of your function. Finally, let's review this week's assignments and wrap up. In Blackboard, complete PE1 Module 4, Sections 1 through 4. Read the real Python articles on defining functions, scope, and tuples versus lists. Finish the listed labs and the Week 5 quiz. A friendly but firm reminder: all deadlines are absolute. Please plan early to avoid any last-minute issues or technical difficulties. For practice, try refactoring one of your previous scripts into 2 or 3 small, testable functions. If a function returns fixed shape results, replace any list returns with a tuple. Questions? Email trboyd@johnstoncc.edu.